statement was aimed at restraining and protecting, not inciting any form of violence. Given this volatile situation, I feared for our lives and thus advocated for maintaining buffer zones to ensure peace and stability. Allowing those who have looted sophisticated weapons to operate freely poses a significant threat to our lives, specifically the Arambai Tengol and the Beni-based insurgent groups with their arsenal of over 6,000 looted sophisticated arms and 6 lakh rounds of ammunition could disrupt the existing fabric of peace and stability in the region, potentially sparking widespread violence. My statement was a major and cautionary message to prevent further escalation and safeguard everyone irrespective of communities and belongings. Buffer zones are crucial for peace, and that I urge caution to prevent escalation. Notably, several Kuki civil society organizations have clarified that there is no coordinated opposition to the festival per se. Meanwhile, the Honorable Supreme Court of India in multiple proceedings has taken judicial notice of the complete breakdown of law and order in the state of Manipur and the resultant loss of public confidence in the state institutions. Unfortunately, my words were misinterpreted and taken out of context. As a peace-loving citizen of this great nation called India, I advocated for peaceful demonstrations and preserving fragile peace in the state. I am not associated with any sort of village volunteers, and I'm deeply worried about the potential damage to peace in the name of the Shiroi Lily festival or whatsoever. My statement sparked crucial public discourse, highlighting valid concerns about buffer zone encroachments and potential damage to peace. I therefore stand by my concerns and reiterate that my speech was not an inflammatory one, but a reminder about the importance of maintaining buffer zones to reduce tension and protect all communities. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Saribasi akogi API Ima Saman Nipangi representative oina okay laksabani aduga ngasi koina khigina FIR mathazarami ASP da hariba FIR si karigino haba matamda kuki student union gi Delhi gi organization amma president su aizai haina haizaba pawjok guite mahakna aikogi social media da aikogi video ama thadoropodo maduna maram oira kando da aikogi library ba aikogi isinau mayam sidai yamna nungai taba ama phawi mahana karigi damakta aikogi hauja hujik tatha gadori ba aikogi Shiroi festival asdai sida na chaba matamda mana blast tawgani hariba se maha sikanano adugo karigi damakta mana blast tawdori bano aikoina aikogi iramda chaba matamda karigi damakta mahana sugumba thitana se tawbiri bano sida natana mahana tongan ba mayam amasu mahana akogi Manipur gi akogi suppression administration sugumba matam sida su mahana tongan ba mayam haikiba mayam amasu akogi proof lay sina maram oiraka akogi hauja hujik chatha gadori ba akogi Shiroi festival from 20 to 24 asi chatha gadori ba ase mahaga se atho matamda akogi leibiri ba akogi force mari leina ba force mayam sina ma ku bhajan bujin bidona ma se thamgadabani habase masi masu thamjage haiduna SP gi manakta koi FIR se thajaba lakjabani aduna maram oiraga akoi hauji chatha gadori ba akoi gi festival asida akoi gi media person akoi gi sinau mayam amasu hauji satta do bagi ngai dona leirabani hari bai media gi sinau mayam asisu makoi da threaten gumba kai gumba lakpagi ba su akoi na phangi hari ba akoi gi Titan sugumba tongan tongan section me amada titan lakwa hai base masi akhoi gi Manipura lebiri ba akhoi gi active service ta lebiri ba akhoi gi forcing na masi mahapu phajin punjin betona mahapu thambiu aduna tabataraga di akhoi na lo lei haina khali ba pota se masi akhoi laita bagum khalakani ha base akhoi na thamjaram ge haidana akhoi RPI gi masam ni pansana lakjaraga asigumba FIR se thajabani
अखोगी सिरोई लिले सी अखोगी हौद्रिंगी ममांगदा हारिबा होजिगे होजौखांग सी हाना फाबीरगा माको आइनगी मतेंगना चपचाबा दंदी हाना पीबीखो अदुना तबतारगदी अखोगी मणिपुरदा लैरिबा इचा इसुंसिने चलकपा मतमदा प्रेस की मीडिया मैमना चलकपा मतमदा असोय अंगाम याउदनबा माको हाना फारगा माकी मतिक चाबा दंदी पियु हाइदुना अखोई इमा चामगा निपानगी साइतगे हाइजरी